Why does no one talk about this? Indie author business plan. Let's start the conversation. Hi, I'm Pooja Mohan. I'm an indie author, aka a self-published author, and welcome to my writing studio. Let me preface this by saying that everything I talk about in this video is based on my knowledge of the industry and my experience so far. There is a lot of information available on the internet, and I urge you to do your own research before you make a decision about what is right for you. Alright then, when I started my indie publishing journey, I had no idea what I was doing, and so I had no plan. I was doing it as a hobby, and there's nothing wrong with treating writing and publishing as a hobby. But if you're planning to make a career in this industry, you have to start looking at it as a business. When I started my self-publishing journey about 5 years ago, there was no one in my immediate circle who was doing what I was doing, and so I had no one that I could talk to or no one to help me find answers to my questions. And so it took me a long time to figure out what the industry was about and what I wanted to do. I had to spend a lot of time learning about writing, self-publishing, and the publishing industry as a whole. I find that there is a lot of information and a lot of conversation happening around writing as a craft, about publishing and self-publishing, but I don't find a lot of people talking about business plan for indie authors. So let's start that conversation. Today, I just want to bring to your notice some of the things that we as indie authors should think about. Now, I have a degree in MBA, and it comes easier for me to think about self-publishing as a business, but that's not how I started. And I wish I had. But you don't have to have a business degree to understand the business side of this. I feel it all comes down to our mindset and the goals that we like to set for ourselves. So if you're treating writing and publishing as a hobby, you'll have a very different mindset and you'll go about things very differently as compared to if you thought of it as a business. Now I want to talk about strategies and types of business models that you can think of when you're thinking of indie publishing. And I like to put these in two buckets or categories. One is where you write books, and the second one is where you have ancillary services around your books or along with your books. Whatever model you choose, have a plan. Just like any business, have a business plan. You can have an in-depth plan or something very generic in the beginning, and as you grow and you educate yourself, you learn about the industry, you can start fine-tuning it. But it's good to have something to begin with. I have first-hand experience with not having a plan, and I know how much it hurt me and my books because I didn't know what I was doing. I had no strategy, no plan behind publishing my books. And that's something I see very common amongst new indie authors. If you're new to indie publishing or you've already published a couple of books, you can start thinking about having a plan at any point. And you don't have to start with a complex business plan. Start with these three things. Figure out what you want from your indie publishing career, what you need to do to get to that point, and formulate a strategy that will get you there. This will help you figure out the things that you know and the things that you don't know. So you can then get more strategic about what you need to learn about, what skills you have versus what you don't have, what you need to do or what you need to invest in to acquire those skills, or whether you want to hire experts to help you with those things. You can go into detail once you know what you have and what you don't have. And then you can get more intentional with your time and your money. Let me know if you're interested in creating an indie author business plan. Maybe we can figure out something like a free webinar or something where I can share exactly how I go about creating my indie author business plan. And if I have about 50 or so of you interested in it, I'll make it happen. Once you have a business plan, it gets much more easier to create a publishing strategy or a marketing strategy. And this goes for both fiction and non-fiction. Let's say you are in HR and you have a lot of years of experience and you write a book where you help solve the problem nailing an interview. Now, this book is not your primary source of income, but just a way to get maybe speaking engagements. Another example of a business plan or a model would be where someone wants to make money from publishing. So that could be writing their own books, co-authoring with other authors, publishing books of other authors, or publishing books that are ghost written. Another example would be where you write books and that's your main focus, but you also offer services like manuscript critique, editing services, formatting services. You might also have podcasts or YouTube channel where you help authors with writing or publishing, or it could be that you want to write and publish books. That's it. Writing is your passion and that's all that you want to concentrate on. Now, the business model and the business plan for all these three examples are going to be very different because the goal is very different. The target audience is very different. So all the effort that you would put into it is going to be different because your ultimate goal from this writing and publishing is very different in all these examples. And just like in any business, it's not a one and done kind of a thing. You'll always have to constantly keep looking at what's working, what's not working, what are the outside factors affecting your business plan, what is the industry trends. You'll have to constantly look at all these things and factor them in your business plan. You have to also be open that you might have to pivot and change and have a completely different goal from what you started with. I recently came across an author who was giving away arcs for a book that they had recently written, and I requested for one and I received it. And the book is called Secrets of the Perma-Free Book by Dale Roberts, and it's a very good example of a strategy that would help you with your business plan. The book is about how having free books help you get more readers. The book talks about why you would want to give away a book for free and then the technical things of how to set it all up. And I wanted to see what this author had to talk about because this concept is not new to me. And I think if you are not familiar with why a lot of authors give away their books for free, this is a good book to start with. So the pros in this book, I would say, is firstly, it's a very quick read, hardly 30-45 minutes and you're done. But it has very good information to help you start research if you didn't know about something, and it does not take away a lot of your time if you already know some of these concepts. It's very actionable. It also talks about how you can give away a free book and roll it all up with your newsletter, and we have talked about newsletters in other videos. So if you're looking to set up a newsletter, give this book a read. Now the cons would be that this book does not get into too much detail, which is good if you already know the concept like I do, but if you're new, then you would want more from the author. Now another con for us as indie authors who are in India is that a lot of these actionable things that he talks about, we in India are not able to do because of certain limitations. I did get a lot of points that I can put in my own newsletter, and maybe I'll implement some of these things and share with you how they turn out for me and what results I get. So if you're looking for a book to help you with understanding how giving away free books work and how you can tie it all up with setting up a newsletter, this book is a good pick. There's a link to this book in the description below in case you want to check it out. Like this video if you found it helpful. There are a lot of videos coming your way on Amazon and self-publishing. Make sure the red button is turned gray. And don't forget to leave a yellow heart emoji if you'd like to see my indie author business plan. If you're new to self-publishing, check out this playlist, and I'll see you in the next one.